Is public speaking different from a normal conversation? Let's talk about it. How many times have you walked out of a meeting or a seminar because it was boring like hell? So many times, right? So maybe the speaker is speaking in a monotonous tone, or maybe he's expressing nervousness in his voice, or maybe lack of confidence, or maybe he's using fillers like like, you mean, I mean, right? So don't get confused with the fact that public speaking and conversation are different. No, they are not different. Public speaking and having a conversation with maybe 2 people or 4 people or an audience size of 100 people, it is the same. Yes, public speaking is same as having a conversation, right? Sometimes as speakers, we tend to believe and we tend to think that, we, as a speaker, we are going on stage. As a speaker, we are playing a role on stage. So that is not true, okay? So just understand that as a speaker, your presentation is just a normal conversation with the audience. Now, with this mindset, don't you think the whole perspective will change as a speaker? So stay tuned for the next video.